here to do an unboxing of a package that I received from Temu. I ordered about maybe 3 days ago a espresso machine, and I'm so excited that the delivery made it within 3 days to my home. I'm about to unbox my package, which I am so excited for. So I went to DR with my mom. I've tried other espressos machines in the past, and they're all fine and dandy, a little bit too bulky. Just wanted something simple. I went to a resort in DR with my mom sometime, I believe it was during September, for my mother's birthday. There was this espresso machine which I fell in love with. It was the smallest miniature espresso machine there was, and the coffee that this machine made was amazing. But I've been searching for that machine. They're like $150, maybe $200 to $300 on price range. So I went into Temu. I was like, you know what, let me see what I find in Temu. And here it is. I found a coffee espresso machine for the price of, I believe it was $70, which is not bad at all. And I didn't want anything bulky. I just wanted something small. Don't know how small and compact this machine is, but I'm looking forward to opening the package. So here I am with you guys, about to unbox. Let's see. Let's see what this machine is about. And I'm so excited. Maybe I should sit in my couch. Oh my God, how tiny is this little box? I freaking love this little box. Look how small this box is next to my face. Which I hope it's small once I open it. But it's a 3-in-1, and it's a 0.6 liter, and it's a 1450 watt. And it's called the Divino Cafe. Here it is, guys. Sí, vamos a ver. Let me take out the sticker. Okay. Oh my God, how cute. How small is this thing? This thing is so, oh my God. Look at this beauty. It is so tiny. I mean, look at my head. How tiny this thing is. This is so cute. Here it is. I can hold it with one hand, literally. Look at this. I'm in love. How cute is this? Well, here's my unboxing. And I guess I will be trying it out. And stay tuned for my next video.